Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a modern, brand new and centrally located 3-bedroom townhome development for sale located here in Paranaque City, Metro Manila. This property is just 5 minutes away from Sukat Road and has fast access towards South Luzon Expressway and Skyway heading to EDSA and Makati. Now, in terms of the availability, as of the shooting of this video, we have 2 available units, A and B, and we're going to go through both of them right now. Let's go. You have a solid gate here leading towards a covered parking area for 2 vehicles. What I like about the parking area, it's very private. You can't be viewed from the street, so they can see what kind of car that you have also, especially if you're a very private person in terms of your vehicles. And it's also completely covered. In terms of maximizing the space, this is the staircase leading to the 2nd level, and the area underneath the staircase was maximized by having this storage area. And then you have your main entry over here with a large wooden door. And check out the height of the door as well. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Now, let's talk about the size of the properties. This unit has a lot area of 120 square meters with a total floor area of 163 square meters. So each unit has an identical size. In terms of the layout, they also have the same layout, so it's not a reversed layout. So the layout that you see here is exactly the same as the other unit. Okay, now we're here at the living space. You see you have an open concept living, dining, and kitchen space. With cove lighting right here. You already have a provision for split type air conditioning unit for these 2 areas. And in addition, this property already comes with 4 split type air conditioning units. So they're just about to be installed already. Now, in terms of the provisions, you see that you have outlets all throughout the space. So you can easily arrange your furniture. You can have a living room set over here and then a dining table on this side that can fit about 4 to 6 people. And it opens up to a modern kitchen space that's already fully equipped. What I like about this kitchen is everything is already built in and you have quality appliances. You have an Elba, microwave, oven, and an LG refrigerator. Very sizable already. Lots of storage space. Nice splash tile here, and you have an Elba range hood and an Elba induction cooktop. Now, in terms of how easy it is to navigate the house, on top of your main kitchen, you also have this sliding door here leading to a well-organized auxiliary space. So this gives you additional storage, and this already has a heavy wash area, and this is where you'll have your washer and dryer. Now, in terms of this property, we can already have the washer and dryer included as well. And from your main living and dining space, you have an additional landscape garden area. This is a fantastic way to maximize the property. Imagine for just 120 square meters, you already have this space. And this is an additional cistern storage space for water. So if you're wondering what that stainless steel cover is, okay? In terms of interior design, you can potentially even have that covered in the future. And then from this angle, you can appreciate the size of the space. So this is an additional al fresco space for your family. And I like the touch that they have here. Having that artificial plant wall to give you that burst of greenery as you look out towards your garden space. And of course, you have a staff room also. So you see that there's room here for a single bed or potentially a double bunk bed, and it also has a bathroom already. And it's sizable also. Now the water closet is just about to be installed as well. Okay. Now if you're thinking, what would be a good market for people who are looking for a house like this? What I would say is, if you're thinking about getting like a 3 or 4 bedroom condo, this is already a fantastic option instead of getting a large condo that's about 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 square meters, because this would give you a total floor area of 163 square meters with 2 carport already. So it's a fantastic value. And another thing about this property is the accessibility. You are just 10-15 minutes away from SM City BF and literally 10 to 15 minutes away from Skyway from this property. So if you're working in Makati or Alabang or even further parts of the Metro Manila, you can still have access because of Skyway. Now from your living dining space, let's check out your powder room, which is conveniently accessible straight from the main entry. Check out that finish. I love that rough tile that they installed, which is a fantastic contrast to the lighted mirror. And if you're wondering what that grill is over the water closet, that is the storage area leading to the parking space. So that also gives you additional ventilation. And you also have this nice feature of having that lighted area underneath the cabinet, giving you that floating cabinet look. Okay, so one more look at the size of the space. Now let's head on up towards the second level where you have your 3 bedrooms. So, lighted steps right here. Very sturdy, tempered glass barriers here. Easy to climb in terms of the stairs. And then you have your main hallway. Let's go through the 3 rooms. First, right here. I love the door heights also. So you have an oversized window here, which gives you that great facade for the property. So of course you can just have curtains here. And I like that they put a shadow line to give more depth to the ceiling space. And we're able to add a cove lighting aspect also. And this is where you'll have your split type air conditioning unit. This can easily fit either a single bed or even a semi-double bed. And then you have built-in storage. And then an ensuite bathroom with a lighted mirror. A great aspect of this property is that there are no shared bathrooms. For the 3 bedrooms and even the staff room, you have 4 bathrooms between them. And And I like that the hallway space doesn't feel constricted at all. You have this large window giving you natural light through the space. So it feels very open even as you're going in and out of the rooms towards the staircase. Here you have the second bedroom. Once again with the large window. And this even gives you a view of your garden area. But of course, we won't show that anymore because for the privacy of the neighbors also. But in terms of the size, once again, this can fit a single bed or even a semi-double bed up to here. Okay. And check out the ceiling height. This is about 9 feet at least. Built-in storage. Then once again, a modern bathroom. They even put care to have cove lighting in the bathroom itself. And now it's time to take a look at your third bedroom. Or right now, it's your primary bedroom. And you'll see because it has the biggest size. And it has the built-in cabinetry right here upon entering. And then considerable space. So this would already be large enough to have like a queen-sized bed or even potentially a king if you really want to prioritize having a large bed. And then this is where you can have your television set. You already have provisions here. And you also have provisions already for CCTV as well. And here you have the bathroom. You're gonna walk in so you see the size. Floor-to-ceiling tiling, once again with the cove lighting and a large lighted mirror. I like this feature of having this recessed area. Just as an additional interior design feature also. You already have a tempered glass enclosure as well with the rainfall shower head. And once again, that lighted floating cabinet effect. And that caps off our quick house tour. To know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram and Facebook. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Also, you can now find us on TikTok. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.